Hello everyone and welcome back to MK's Aviation. So first off, I want to just kind of apologize for the lack of content the past about week and a half. I've just been super busy with school and finals and work. I work 2 jobs and it's just been really busy, I think a lot of you guys can probably relate, and just for me, YouTube videos are not the top of my priority. So I'm going to try and get some videos out this week and work on some for next week and the weeks following. So yeah, hopefully I can get some more content out. It's just a busy time, and when summer hits, I will have plenty of time to put out more videos for you guys. So it's not permanent, and I'm not leaving YouTube or anything like that. It just has to slow down for me because I just don't have the time. However, jumping into today's video, we have, as you saw from the title, a very highly anticipating model unboxing. And as you guys saw from the title, we have the Gemini Jets Delta CRJ-900. Now this one, of course, everyone knows the crazy story for these things going for $1,000 and everything, all that craziness. And today I finally got my hands on this. Now the reason I know it is the CRJ-900 and not some other models I have ordered. It's because I ordered it from PandaFox, and as you can see there, that's what it says. So let's open up this bad boy and see what we got inside. Okay, I now have the box open. I did purchase 2 of these, but they are in different orders. So in this box there's just one. I did make another big order from Easy Toys for the rest of the Gemini Jets March releases with a couple other models. So those will be coming soon, and we're going to be doing a review. But let's just open this up and see what we have inside. We have the coupon code as always, and there it is, the Gemini Jets Bombardier CRJ-900 in all of its glory. It feels kind of warm. It's that new plane feel to it. Nothing nothing vibrating around in there as I shake that, so that's good. Got the box, but let's get to what everyone clicked on this video to see. Let's get this thing out of the box. And taking the plastic off the top, I'm sorry guys, I'm shaking right now. That's why the camera works kind of shaky a little bit. But we have the Delta CRJ-900. It looks perfect from first glance. Awesome model by Gemini Jets. To my knowledge, I am the second one on YouTube currently at the time of recording who has made a video, and yeah, that's gonna be an issue. So yeah, that kind of sucks. It is unfortunately the older mold. Now I watched a video and this guy, he had it correctly, so yeah, that's kind of a shame. I don't know what I'll do. I'll probably end up just keeping it like that because I don't really want to mess with that. But yeah, other than that, everything looks good, and we'll go into greater review here. Okay, so just taking a step back and looking at it a little bit closer, we can see we have an excellent model from the side. The thing about the landing gear is, like, we knew that there was a 50% chance that was going to happen, and plus it is a Delta CRJ-900, so you can't really be too mad about that. And of course it could be a lot better, but that's just something that we all knew when we were going to buy this thing, so that's what we got, so I can't really complain too much about it. But starting up front here, we have the CRJ-900 nose. Now this is, I'm pretty sure, identical to the Air Canada CRJ-900 that they produced a while ago. Let me just bring that model in for some comparison. And yeah, as you can see, they're pretty much identical. They might look a little bit different on camera just because of the table might have a slight height difference, and plus the Air Canada's nose is a little more defined with the detail. but other than that, they're pretty much the exact same model. Now that is kind of unfortunate, but at the same time, as I said, I mean, it's a Delta CRJ-900, you can't be too mad. But moving down the aircraft, this is a SkyWest registered plane. But taking a look at the nose of the aircraft, there does not appear to be any issue there. We have the boarding door, Delta Connection titles, we have the baggage doors there that look very nice. Then we have the two overwing exits. Now the CRJ-700 and 900s do have two. The CRJ-200 only has one. So yeah, that is how you can tell the difference. As there was the registration, which is November 8215 Kilo, which is a SkyWest registration, as I said earlier. Moving back even further, we got the engines. Engine size looks perfect. I don't think there's any issue there. Then we got the tail. The one thing I do notice is that there is some, the horizontal stabilizers are kind of slanting upwards a bit. So that's not really what you want to see. So that's not really what you want to see. As you can see, it's not that bad from just looking head on. As you can see, yeah, it is not that bad. Engine size is good, and gear height at the front here is good as well. So I'll give you guys a quick shot overhead. Sorry, my arm's in the way there a little bit, but as you can see, it is a nice model. Now let's take a closer look at the underside of this plane, and we can really look at the gear. So the main landing gear looks fine as always, but the real issue is back here at the rear of the plane. We have the same scenario as we did with the Air Canada CRJ-900. We have the wheels. Now if you have any IQ points, you would notice that if this wasn't a real aircraft, you cannot close these gears inward. They're going to run into each other, therefore they're not realistic. I don't know why Gemini Jets did this like this. Clearly they know how to do it for the 700, which is a little bit frustrating. So yeah, I don't know why they did this. Unfortunately they did though. Hopefully this isn't a deal breaker for a lot of people. I'm sure it is for some. But you know, we got, even with this, we still have a lot of detail back here with the, I don't know if these are fins or what you call them, but got some great detail under here, especially up at the front there. So yeah, that's pretty disappointing to see. Now I don't really rate models by a strict rubric. If I had to grade this one, I'd probably give it like an 8.5, and the only reason being is for the landing gear. But you know, as I said, these models are so tiny, and I know we're paying a lot for them, so I can understand both sides of the argument. However, it's a pretty small detail, and one that I don't really have too much of an issue. But I totally understand if this really irritates you, and you really like the detail. For me, I really only needed this for the airport updates, and if I just go like that, it's a CRJ-900 regardless of whether the gear is proper or not. But I do, as I said, understand if you guys are frustrated by this. Overall though, I think it is a very nice model, and I would recommend it if you can find it. I don't think you really can anymore, but if you can, I would recommend it even with the gear issue. But yeah, that does conclude this review / unboxing. As I said, I did order 2 of these, so one will be coming in a big order in a couple weeks, or actually probably a couple days here, so you can expect that, massive unboxing 4 or 5 or one of those numbers. But yeah, I do hope you guys enjoyed this review, found it useful. Leave a like if you did. Also be sure to leave a comment. I love hearing from my viewers, so yeah. But that is going to do it for me, guys. Again, hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the school year, and that everyone does well in their finals. But that's it for me, and I will see you in the next video. God bless.